Hi, today I'm going to show you just how quickly to hook up your SEMrush project with your GA4 property. Let me share my screen. I mean, it's super easy. You won't believe how easy it is. Once you're in your SEMrush project, there's a few ways to do this. I'll show you a couple of kind of reports and a couple of ways to connect your GA4 that I find useful personally. So the first one is here on the project main page. If you click on this little cog, you go to set up Google account, and here you're gonna choose the property and the account that you wanna set up. For us, we've already done this with Vixen Digital, and you can see it here. And while you're at it, hook up your Search Console as well. And you just press save. Now, once you've done that, you will notice that here in this Traffic Analytics report, you all of a sudden don't just have your SEMrush data, but you have your Google data as well. And this is all pulled from GA4, which is quite useful. You know, you can see engaged sessions, number of sessions, engagement rates, all of that can be brought into your SEMrush account. And if you click on here, you'll see there's some other interesting reports that you might want to explore. Now, depending on your package of SEMrush, you might be able to get more or less data. So I'll leave you to kind of play with it. The other area that I wanted to show you is the On-Page SEO Checker. Very similarly to what we just did there, you can hook up your On-Page SEO Checker with Google Analytics by, again, pressing on that cog and choosing your Search Console and choosing your Google Analytics property. Now, it might ask you to log in, which again is fine, and you just log in and then it will give you the choice to choose your GA4 property. Happy connecting, and hopefully this was useful for you. And don't forget to subscribe and watch our videos. Thank you. Bye.